Good morning students. Welcome to the third video lecturing on functions of 2 and 3 variables. Today let us study about the partial derivatives or partial differentiation. Let u is equals to f of xy be a continuous function of two independent variables in some domain D. As you have studied about the continuous function in the last class. So let us consider a function u is equals to f of xy in some domain D. Then if we define a limit as delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x comma y minus f of xy divided by delta x, if it exists, then this limit is called the partial derivative of u with respect to x and is denoted by dou u by dou x, or here as we have denoted u is equals to f of xy, so it is also denoted by dou f by dou x or ux or fx. So that is dou u by dou x is equals to limit as delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x comma y minus f of x comma y divided by delta x. So that is, in this case what you have to do is, here we have to keep y as a constant, that is fixed, and allow x to vary, that is while finding the derivative of u with respect to x partially, you have to treat y as constant and x as variable. Suppose if u is a function of three variables, in that case also you have to treat only x as variable, remaining two variables as constant. So that is, here for example let us take u is equals to x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5. Then let us find ux or dou u by dou x. So here u is like this, it contains x square, x and y and constant. If we differentiate this partially, then what happens? So we are differentiating partially with respect, this is very important. If you come to this definition, then next part is very easy for you. Differentiating x partially means only you have to treat x as variable, remaining are all constants. So here differentiating x square with respect to x will get 2x, and differentiation of y square partially with respect to x means y is constant. I told you this one is very important. While finding partial derivative with respect to x, only x is variable, remaining are all constant. So y is constant, derivative of constant is 0. Then derivative of 3x, because here x is variable, we know derivative of 3x with respect to x is 3. Then plus 5 is constant, again derivative of 5 is 0. Similarly, if you differentiate this u with respect to y partially, then the definition is limit as delta y tends to 0, f of x y plus delta y minus f of xy divided by delta y. Here what we are doing is, we are treating x as constant, we are allowing y to vary here. If this limit exists, then we can call it as derivative of u with respect to y and is denoted by uy or fy or dou u by dou y or fy. So that is dou u by dou y is equals to limit as delta y tends to 0, f of x comma y plus delta y minus f of x y divided by delta y. So as I told you, so here while finding the partial derivative with respect to y, you treat only y as variable, remaining are all constant. So here let us take one example, the same example as we have taken in case of dou u by dou x. Here u is equals to x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5. Then dou u by dou y. So we are differentiating u partially with respect to y. So only y is variable, remaining are all constant. You just concentrate on y term, the term containing y. So here derivative of x square partially with respect to y is 0, because here x is constant, derivative of constant is 0, and derivative of y square is 2y. Derivative of 3x, again it is x. So we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So you have to treat this one as also x. So derivative of 3x is also 0, and derivative of constant, as we know here 5 is constant. So derivative of constant is 0. So it is equals to simply 2y. That is only y is variable, remaining are all constant. So in these two definitions, these two are very important. If you differentiate u partially with respect to x, you have to concentrate only the term containing x. So here x is only the variable, remaining are all constant. And while finding dou u by dou y, you have to treat only y as variable, remaining are all constant. So these two definitions are very important. So again same thing, if the given function is function of three variables, that is if u is f of x, y, z, then ux or dou u by dou x means you have to differentiate u partially with respect to x, treating y and z constant. And similarly, if you differentiating u partially with respect to y, treat x and z as constant. Similarly, while differentiating z, this u with respect to z, you have to treat x and y are constant, only z is variable. This point is very important. If you understand this point, then next part is very easy for you. So next is higher order partial derivatives. Suppose again we know here, suppose we have u is equals to f of xy. If it possesses first order partial derivatives, as we have done in the previous case, dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. If these two again functions of, as we know, after differentiating u partially with respect to x and y, we will get again it is in terms of x and y only. Sometimes it is only x, it is only y, or it is combination of both. So again, if these two are functions of x and y, then we can differentiate these two partially with respect to x and y to get second order partial derivatives of u is equals to f of xy, and are given like this. So as we know here, if you differentiate dou u by dou x partially with respect to x, then it is dou by dou x of dou u by dou x is equals to dou to u by dou x square, or uxs, or it is also denoted by fxx. Similarly, second one, dou by dou y of dou u by dou y is equals to dou to u by dou y square, or uyy or fyy. And third one is dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. It is known as mixed partial derivative. It is equals to dou to u by dou y dou x, or uyx or fyx. Similarly, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y is equals to dou to u by dou x dou y, or uxy or fyy. And we know here that we can see that dou to u by dou x dou y is the same as dou to u by dou y dou x.